Did you know parrots can outlive more than one human generation? Some parrots, like the wise African gray or vibrant macaw, can reach the age of 70 or even 80 when given proper care. These chatty feathered friends don't just mimic our voices. They form loyal bonds with their families that often last a lifetime. In the wild, parrots flock together for safety and share juicy fruit trees or safe roosts. Their sharp minds and playful nature rival a young child's curiosity, which is why they need games and puzzles to stay happy. For many, owning a parrot means passing down a feathered companion to kids or even grandkids. Watching a parrot copy your laugh or dance to music is proof of their endless charm.